Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we talk about Abbott Elementary, everything we know about season 5. So far, Abbott Elementary was renewed for a fifth season at ABC, while its fourth season was airing on the network. And already, we're looking ahead to what might be on the horizon for the award-winning comedy. While details are still emerging surrounding season 5, we're breaking down everything we know so far, ranging from a potential premiere window to returning cast members and so much more. Scroll down for a closer look at season 5 so far. When will Abbott Elementary season 5 premiere? While there is no premiere date currently set for Abbott Elementary's fifth season, it's safe to assume that the show will be back for the fall slate as part of the network's primetime lineup. Season 4 debuted in October, and the show is likely to return sometime between the end of September and October for Season 5, if the slate rolls out in a similar fashion to past years. Stay tuned for official confirmation though. Who will star in Abbott Elementary Season 5? We'd expect that the main cast would all be back for when class is in session, including creator Quinta Brunson, Tyler James Williams, Cheryl Lee Ralph, Chris Buffetti, Lisa Ann Walter, Janelle James, and William Stanford Davis. And we hope to see more from fan-favorite guest stars, including Zach Fox, Jerry Minor, and Matthew Law, among others, in Season 5. Does Abbott Elementary Season 5 have a trailer? No, there are no trailers, promos, or photos teasing Season 5 as the upcoming chapter has yet to go into production. Keep an eye out for any updates though. What happened at the end of Abbott Elementary Season 4? In usual Abbott Elementary fashion, the series bid viewers adieu for the season with a field trip. In this case, to the Please Touch Museum in Philadelphia. There were no real cliffhangers, leaving the faculty of the titular school intact and on track to return for an all-new school year in Season 5. Who makes Abbott Elementary? Abbott Elementary was created for television by Brunson, who executive produces the series alongside Justin Halpern, Patrick Schumacher, Randall Einhorn, and Brian Rubenstein. The series is produced by Warner Brothers Television and 20th Television, which is a part of Disney Television Studios. Keep an eye out for any announcements or news about Season 5's progress as we update this article. And let us know what you hope to see in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you